Cup holders Jamaica Defence Force suffered their first loss of the Jamaica Cricket Association All-Ireland 50-over competition after going down by 6 wickets to Melbourne C.C. via the Duckworth-Lewis system. The JDF were rolled over for 159 in 35 overs, with Abhijay Mansingh doing the damage after claiming 3 for 43. There were also 2 wickets each for Shalom Parnell and Javel Glenn. Glenn then returned to blast 52 from 24 balls as Melbourne got to 142 for 4 from 17 overs after they were set a revised 137 runs to win. Parnell chipped in with 26. Both teams are into the quarterfinals.
I wouldn't say it's an easy game. I think the guys really come out and give account of themselves and really come to play some cricket today. You understand? Oh yeah, for sure. Playing at home it's love in here. It's nice to play at home every time. You understand? So playing the quarterfinals home is a plus for us. You understand me? And I think the team is playing really good. So I just trust in the process.
My thought is that we never got off to the start that we needed. I think our openers never give us that start up front, and we had some unfortunate decisions, and it never went well for us in the batting, and then we have the interruption with the rain, so that kind of put another damper on the remainder of the game. So hence we didn't get the total that we were basically looking for.
Police, who also qualified for the last 8, registered a 63-run win over St. Catherine Cricket Club. Police first made a competitive 269 all-out inside 48 overs with 63 from Shamar Lindo. Shamar Edwards added 40 against the Vittel Laws, 4 for 63. St. Catherine C.C. in pursuit folded for 206 in 43 overs. Kemar Anderson and Oniki Robinson picked up 3 wickets each for Police, with 58 from Carlos Brown, the best for the Saints.
I've gone 4 from 4. This is our 5th game. We still came out this morning, came out with a hunger to bring it to 5 from 5. So going to the quarterfinal is a very good feeling, and we have the confidence that we will be very, very, very competitive.
Well, as you can see, we are at a little rebuilding stage at this time. Under the circumstances, I think we are doing pretty well. A number of senior players are missing, through duties, and people have to live and all of that. So people are out seeking employment and others. So yes, we do have some youngsters here, and they are doing fairly well, and we're happy for that.